There are two groups that we know, which are introverts and extroverts. Introverts are people who like to be alone and do their own thing and do not like to socialize in society or the outside world. While extroverts are the opposite of introverts who like an interactive environment. This group is very enthusiastic in socializing and likes to try new things. This extrovert has a strong and pleasant personality in addition to being good at handling himself when dealing with a large crowd. This is because they feel that communicating and socializing with people is a fun thing. First, quiet and solitary. Introverted personalities tend to like quiet situations, like to be alone, usually impressed by what they do. Second, difficult to get along with. They prefer to enjoy time spent alone because such a situation makes them more comfortable. Third, comfortable surrounded by close friends or only a small number of people. They have a tendency to avoid new group interactions. 4. Rarely tells stories, prefers to listen to people who tell stories. This is because they tend to hide things rather than express or share stories with others. 5. Feeling nervous when at parties. They would rather be at home than spend time outside. 6. Creative person. This is because being alone makes it easy for us to think more and the mind becomes more open. Not only that, when alone, introverts also have a very good ability to analyze complicated things. 7. More comfortable to avoid conflict. Studies have found that introverts are usually more sensitive when faced with negative responses. This makes them choose to avoid high-risk situations. 8. Too much stimulation is distracting. When people with introverted personalities spend their time in crowded environments, they tend to lose focus. 9. Be very aware of their own actions and attitudes. Because they tend to prefer to play in their own minds, introverts then have more awareness about themselves, their actions, and the consequences that will arise from their actions. 10. Don't feel compelled to know the latest trends. Introverts generally don't feel the need to keep up with all the latest trends because it's considered a waste of time thinking about things that aren't useful. That's how you'll identify an introvert personalities. Introvert and an extrovert have personalities that are opposite to each other. We will identify the characteristics of an extrovert in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope my sharing this time is useful and I hope to see you in the next video.